Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited for me because it's a really big mod purchase for my car. We're gonna go pick up rims and everything like that and coilovers for my car from J-Spec. We've been waiting a long time for this order to finally come in, but it is finally in. Today is the day that we're gonna head up to J-Spec and at least get my rims. We're not gonna install my coilovers today. This is just a rim video, but we're gonna go pick everything up. It's a big day for my car and I'm super excited. So let's just go with the J-Spec and get the stuff now. We're here, I'm scared. There we are.
Now halfway home from J-Spec. We're just back on our way home, obviously. We have the coilovers back there, the rims. Josh is gonna drop off today also at the tire place, and they'll probably mount them within the next couple days, and then we will be able to put them on his car. We'll obviously unbox them the second that we get home and show you guys, and then we'll pick up this camera when the tires are mounted and everything. So we will see you guys soon.
Like I said, we picked up the rims. Andrew had to go to work, so it's just me here. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing because I have to actually take these to get them mounted today. Hopefully they can get them done at least today or tomorrow so we can put these on soon. But let's just get right into opening this up and looking at these rims. Alright guys, these are the rims. They're by Super Speed. These aren't the original ones I was gonna go for. Unfortunately, they didn't have those. I waited forever. I ordered these about 3 months ago or something. I wanted to get the other ones, but they didn't have that style. We ordered them from J-Spec. Super good customer service. So the ones I ordered were on back order. First they came in and they were the wrong color. So instead of it being on back order and me just waiting way more months, I wouldn't be able to get them. J-Spec came in clutch and they were able to give me these for a good deal. Yeah, like I said, J-Spec came in clutch and I got these for a really good deal because the ones I were getting originally were only $8.50 and these are $100 more per rim. So J-Spec hooked it up and gave it to me for the price of that. Super good customer service. He apologized for the wait and everything like that. Super good customer service. So you guys are going. Great customer service there. But yeah, they look super good. I wasn't too sure on the look at first because it's a little too different. It already is different, but the bronze look amazing. I'm super happy with them. Let's just get the rest unboxed and then take them to get them mounted. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Andrew's on his way over with the rims from picking them up from being mounted. I don't think we really got much filmed because unfortunately we just had to drop them off because they were super busy, but they really get it done in the day, so shout out to them. Also, shout out to Andrew for picking them up for me. I really appreciate it. Actually, we went to the gym last night and the man surprised them with me. He tried to tell me that they weren't going to be ready for next week and they're ready today. So I'm super excited to see what they look like, mount on the rims, and then obviously on my car. So we're just going to wait till Andrew gets over here, then push the Subi out, then pull my car in, and then put on my rims. I'm super excited, guys. It's really going to change the look of my car. These weren't the original ones I wanted, like I said, but I decided to go with them because they had them in stock and I didn't really want to wait even longer than I already have.
Alright guys, so these are Josh's wheels. They are the Super Speed RF05RRs. They are 18 by 9.5s and they have a 38mm offset, and they're wrapped in Yokohama Advan Fleva. I don't know how to say it, and the tires are 225/45 R18, just enough to get a little bit of stretch and obviously still have meat. They're pretty freaking sexy tires. Yesterday was the first time that we saw them. I really like them, so does Josh obviously, and they have a 95 sidewall. But let's slap these guys on the car. They are satin bronze and they will be linked down below. They're actually a little more expensive than what Josh originally planned, but there was a whole bunch of struggles with getting the rims in, so we settled for these ones and we got a good deal on them, so let's get them on the car.
Alright guys, so these are my lug nuts. Me and Andrew both got new ones because we want sexy lug nuts. We got these from J-Spec too. We'll link them down below. They are only $100. They're super nice lug nuts.
Alright guys, so the wheels are on this one side, on the driver's side. They look insane. Certainly need to fix something here, but that might be a later video, who knows. They do look insane, like I was saying. The stretch looks perfect. The fitment is honestly just for like the fact that we have stock fenders, haven't rolled them or anything. It doesn't seem too bad. Obviously going to be a whole new story once we start driving, but they look insane. The lug nuts look good. The bronze on the white looks great. Let's go down to this other side.
Alright guys, my car's in there. Moment of truth. The reveal. Damn! Look at those puppies.
Damn.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. Drove on them yesterday. They're super good. Obviously, like we said, we need the lower, but that's coming very soon. Very happy with the rims, very happy with the tires, the fitment, everything. They look super good. But this is pretty much the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like the rims. It's a little bit different style, and I was really nervous, but I'm happy with the turnout. But yeah, see you guys next video. Also, check our social medias though, sboys_TV, and we'll see you guys next video. Peace.